Hello everyone, I'm back with a video, a small demonstration of ECDIS JRC 2000 series and 901B. So last time I had demonstrated about Maris ECDIS, so this time is JRC. So seafarers who are joining ships can refer to this video. Most of JRC is a very common ECDIS, all ships are having. So usually when joining, if you have a very short time for handover or takeover, you can refer to this video. Just watch this video for about a length of about 8 to 10 minutes and then you'll get an idea about the ECDIS. So let's get started. You just have to look at my cursor. So I'll basically start from this side, that is left to right from the top, and then from top to bottom on the right side. So going over here, first is the AIS function. It is basically it shows all the list of AIS, and basically this number 3, if you select that, all the AIS vessels in the vicinity in the range will be displayed on the radar screen. Rest all, nothing much special about this. Second, we go to the route section. Here it is a very important section for route planning. If you want to plan a route, go to route planning, table editor or graphic editor. Choose any of those, select, and then you can either open and select an old route and edit it, or you can press new and a new route will be established. So basically this is a very important function. For example, I'm going on the route planning, graphic editor, open, and then suppose route 026 L1. So this is the route. It is very simple operation. If you want to insert a waypoint, press insert, click on the route, a waypoint will be inserted and you can edit it like this. If you want to delete the waypoint, again press delete over here and then click on the waypoint. The waypoint gets deleted. And then if you want to save, press the save button. Or if you want to save in a different file, you can go in file and save as, give the name and press OK. So presently I'm not saving, I'm closing it. Save changes, no. One more thing, in this table editor, if you go in the table editor, all the routes are displayed over here. You can edit the cross track limit, latitude, longitude, etc. Yes, and there is one more function for GC over here. You can also, if you want the GC waypoint, select GC over here. Automatically the waypoints will be displayed. Presently I'm not saving it. Save changes, no. Further in this is nothing much. One more thing is in the route section is this send route data. If you press this, my ECDIS is directly connected to the GPS. So when you send the route data, the waypoints from the ECDIS will directly go in the GPS. So I don't have to manually enter the waypoints in the GPS. Rest, nothing is of much concern. Yes, that's it for this. I'm not using much of the settings in the route section. Let's go further in the own ship track. There is an anchor watch. You can create monitoring circle from here. Also in settings, this is a very good option. Go and set alert limit, and you can set the vector time, the width, that is the safety frame settings, whatever you need, etc. Also vector time can be edited from here, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, etc. As we go further, this is one more function. I'll tell you later about manual fixing, plotting position. We'll come back to this later. Another thing is the user map. This is a very good function again. User map is the notes that you put on the radar. Just select user map, whichever you want, or else you can also go in user map and user map editor. When you press this, you can easily edit whatever. You can open whichever user map is saved over here, or you can press new and create your own user map. At a time you can place any, there is no limit for user maps. Usually I use maximum, I had used 4 to 5 user maps at a time, so it's not a problem. Chart, marking and highlighting, event mark, off center, then user settings. is my port list. Suppose if you, this is port of Gdynia, I'll tell you, this is port of Gdynia, Poland. So if you want to save this section, go in user map, go in off center, then where was I? Yes, go in save my port list. If you enter the name, then this section, entire section will be saved in the save my port list.